Today we talk about how can you create WordPress.com site on your WordPress app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just click here on add new site. You just click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on create WordPress.com site. Then you come to next step here, click here on try the new jetpack here app. It's going to take you to this list. So here can you install this app, then automatically it's going here to create with you on your WordPress app. So that's all you have to do to create your WordPress.com site app. That's all. I wish you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.